Oh, I hate spiders. And it ruined the brush. What is happening? How come my car... That's ridiculous to pay that much for battery. I should have known better. Hello, Mama Opam. Ooh, what a pretty cold morning, 54 degrees. And let's see what today brings. Oh, so pretty. And today, I'm gonna go to an Oracle cousin reunion with one of Papa O's cousins that he has cancer and hopefully he can survive it, but he's going around visiting with everybody. And it's just good that he's doing that. It's prostate cancer, so he hopefully he will survive it. Stage 4, I think it is. Chick chick. Got the sun coming up over the morning. It's supposed to rain, but we shall see. Chick chick. Let's see if the rabbit needs any water. Chick chick. Oh, my vacuum got in that sticky trap with the mouse, you know, that I put out for a mouse, and it ruined the brush. So I have to throw these away and order new ones. What a mess. Oh my goodness, all over my hands. Oh dear, it didn't get on the wheels, I don't think. This brush is okay. Oh, I put a new brush on. Then I gotta order a new brush for here. Note to self, do not put it where the vacuum can get the mouse trap. And I'm going to make marshmallow Rice Krispie squares for the trick-or-treaters on Thursday, but I make them ahead of time because it's too hard to do it all at once. I got to do some tomatoes, pick out the ripe ones, and I got some spiders to put on the marshmallow squares. So creepy. Oh, I hate spiders. Alrighty. I've not got those done yet. I gotta go buy some more marshmallows. Don't want to make a double batch. So I'll head over to the Oracle cousin reunion and then to a violin concert. You've got to be kidding. What is happening? How come my car won't start now? Oh, who's got a jumper cable? I'm calling my neighbor. How come? Nothing. Oh, my neighbor got it going. I don't know why it ran down. I don't see any lights on anywhere. All right. Hey, I had to get a new battery. I won't have time to go see my cousin. Look how pretty the clouds look. You see, that looks so cool. So I'm kind of stuck in work traffic, but that's okay. Go watch my grandson's violin concert. And I had to get a new battery. It was expensive, $400. Oh, look how pretty the clouds look. And let's stop and get some marshmallows and then head to the concert. Mission accomplished. I have the marshmallows in hand. Oh, let's go to the concert. I see him to the left. Yeah, right there. See him? There he comes. He doesn't have a head. Oh, he does. My son said, he goes, oh, that's way too much, Mom. You take that battery back. We're going to replace another one get you like $500 back. And I said, okay, that sounds a lot better. Because $600 for a battery is ridiculous. I'm going to go exchange. Jimmy Joe said, my son says he'll put the battery in and then take the old one out, and I'll take it back tomorrow. There you have it, the O in the cloud, Mama O. Okay, Mama O, to get your money back. The O is getting bigger. And that was fun. Now we're gonna go to Costco, get a battery. My son's gonna put it in for me. Where did I park? Can't even remember. Hey, we're in Costco on a mission to get my money back. That's ridiculous to pay that much for a battery. I should have known better. I gotta find the car place. Where's the cars? All right, now for some ice cream and then go change the battery back out and get my money back tomorrow. Made it home and it's been raining the whole time. Well, I'll return that battery tomorrow. Get my money back. That was a lot. Note to self. Don't pay that much for a battery. Oh dear. And I will do the marshmallows tomorrow. It's too late tonight. What a busy day. And I decided just to do them tonight. These are so easy. You just gotta melt this and then put this in. So I will do that. Got those done. And a little spider. Cute. Oh, let's go to sleep. I'm falling asleep here. Okay, desserts are not just treats, they are edible works of art. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember to look for that rose, and let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you and good night. Don't know why you said goodbye. So let the sun shine, let the sun shine. You told me a lie, that your love would never die. You stole my heart and broke it all apart. I'll get down.